They don't find us.
Ang asam ng kilikili mo na.
We are safe.
Yung kilikili.
Tugtog nyo na.
No.
Ito pala ito pangalan mo.
Amoy putok.
Ay, may puto.
Amoy putok.
Hindi.
Use Rexona.
Rexona.
Amoy putok si Naomi.
Hindi amoy putok ako.
Naomi, amoy putok.
No. Mommy, look at my Slayer pack.
Opo.
Si Naomi, amoy putok.
Hindi.
Use Rexona.
What?
Si Daddy, mabango. Nothing to use.
What?
Si Naomi, go down na. Dali na.
No, I can't.
Panira ka talaga ng moment na. Masok ka na sa school. Go to school na.
Oh no.
Dali na. Go to school na, dali.
No, no. Look, I made a picture. So
Pangit
cute.
ah.
Hindi.
Ay, so cute pa.
Cute, oh.
Cute
Is
na
that a
oh,
peach?
purple oh.
Miss, that a peach.
Yes, it's a peach, right?
So cute.
Where's the orange?
Is that animals?
No, there are slayers.
As layers? Aray, aray.
Ayun yung sa Demon Slayer. Maganda yun. Ano yung cartoon ba?
Hmm.
Anime.
Hmm.
Meron sa Netflix yun.
Hmm.
Yes. Netflix. Netflix. X.
Ano na, balik kita, no?
Bakit? Kaya mo ba? Parang lugi ka ata.
Ano balik kita sa mukha kaya?
X.
No?
Parang lugi ka.
Mommy, look how I say.
Hindi ka pa rin
Mommy, look how I say.
Aray ko, anak, sakdidi ka.
Mommy, look how
Careful.
Mommy, look how I say.
Lugi ka ba?
Daddy.
Japan Short Plus lang yun, man.
Mommy, I made a pineapple. Look.
Nakakuha nun.
I made a pineapple. Look, I'm going to
Mas
beat the
masipag yung mag-inom
game.
tsaka gumala kaysa kukuha ng passport.
Baliw.
Ayoko pala, pa-schedule lang pala ako, no?
Pa-schedule ka na ngayon.
Register na ako nakaraan eh.
Oink.
Oh, anong ginawa mo?
Oink.
Nag-register ka na pala. Dahil binabayaran yun, 24 hours lang yun.
Kaya nga eh.
Oh, just give me a great.
Kasi mo,
Yes.
dali. Ano ko?
Yes! I made a peach with the pink, purple hair.
May ano lang.
Mga ganyang
The
Ay, mamaya baka may ano yun.
green.
Cashback.
Malayo.
Ooh.
Aray!
Sorry!
Di ba ganun kagabi?
Sorry na.
Yung tira.
Sorry
Matagal pa
na.
na yun natapos.
Sorry na, please.
Okay.
Yay,
Ano oras na ba?
thank
Kaya ano oras na
you.
miss?
10:31.
Kaya pa pala.
Yes.
31 o.
Oink.
Pasaway na.
No, I don't want to away.
Baba ka na, dali.
No, I can't.
Tawag ka doon ng TV.
Huh? No.
The TV call you. The TV said, "Now we go down na. I miss you na. Can you watch with me?"
No. I will be alone and scared of monsters.
There's no monster in the house.
I'm really scared of monsters.
Go to Ate Kuya Kinit house.
But I'm really scared too.
Oh, Kuya Kinit ang salon dali.
Yeah, I'm really scared
Play
now.
with Kuya Kinit.
I'm really scared now.
Nang araw na reglay na si mama mo. Di ba makatusok?
Ah!
taong kasi walang pasok si Naomi, no?
Wala ko pasok eh.
Gusto mag-swimming? Ha?
Yes!
Gusto mag-swimming?
Kasi, mamiss me ni
Tama sila.
mommy.
Sila mga
Look how cute. Oh.
ano kayo maganda? Ay, ano ba yun? Pag-ganon tayo. Ay, ano ba yung araw yung artist natin?
Nagano si Jingoy sa'yo, chat ta.
Kaya nga eh. Sabihan ko rin si ate.
Super big one.
Tingin mo, sama ba yun sa atin? Umay na rin yun dun.
Kasama yan, si ate. Gusto rin yung mag-swimming.
Umay na yun dun.
Yes.
Oh my, tagal-tagal na namin nakapag-swimming
Here we
na.
go.
Kailan pa yung birthday pa ni Nicole doon? Ay, ni Justin.
Can you give me an orange? Where's
Give
the
me an orange. Can you give me an orange?
Look, wala si orange oh. Where's the orangey? Where's the orangey? Yes, here he comes. One, mommy, can you come for me? 1, 2, 3. So we get the melon.
Mm-hmm.
Wish me luck, okay?
Good luck, anak. Wish you all the best.
Daddy, mommy, daddy, can you come for me? 1, 2, 3. So we get the melon.
1, 2, 3. Oh? No.
No, I'm really close.
Oh.
Look, they're touching.
Me. I'll play. I can be winner.
I could be a winner. So I get the melon. Look, I already made a pineapple. Already. Me.
Bangko.
Ew.
Bawa mo, may laway ka.
Bio.
Laway ko man. Nagpabunot na ako ng ito.
Yes.
Palinis ako.
Yes. No! Oh my God!
Ako wala yung tartara mo.
Nambaw tartag. Grabe ka.
Kala mo lang, pero pag ano yun, meron yung tamis.
Look who's so close to touching.
Oo yun. Matartar.
Ako magpapalinis pa ako panibago.
Oh my God. Oh my God. They are close to touching. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They are close to touching. They are close to touching. They are close to touching, right? Touch.
Ha? Yung gano'n.
Kasi binayaran ko dun, ano? Yata pa ba?
Don't lose to
Kasama na
me.
yung retainer ko.
Said don't lose to me. No lose. No lose. No lose. No lose. Don't lose
So, ako magpa-bleach eh.
Wink.
Kaya pag pinableach ko, hindi ba ito magmumukhang lalong ano?
Yes! Look, I just made
Yun.
another pineapple.
Yay!
Maganda yung pag
I'm
pinabalik
already
mo, ha?
close to beating the game.
Baka kala nila
No way.
nagpaano na ako.
Binis. Oh, pablit ko. Saan ka dyan sa may ano? Yung dati dyan.
Almost na.
Sa ano na?
Almost na.
Dito pa naman ako na.
Oo.
What? No! No!
Anong yan? Grabe naman yan.
Look! Look!
Nakabangga pa ulit. Oo. Yan yung isang truck. Nakabangga.
Look! Oh,
Bumangga na naman.
oh my God.
Bumangga sa
There's
galing
another
na
orange.
bumangga.
Oh, maybe I can drop here. Ah!
Puro lang manggaan sa Pinas.
Sikip kasi ng daanan.
Oh.
Mommy, look what I say. Ha! Pasaway.
Pasaway ka.
Hindi, si Daddy pasaway.
Ah, si daddy pa.
Container pa.
Daddy said bad words.
Bakit? Ano sinabi ko?
Bad words.
Ay, may bumangga sa likod niya
What he said?
Bad
Bad
words.
words he said.
Ew.
Hmm?
Ew.
Yeah.
He said ew?
Yes.
Kilikili mo.
Don't get my kilikili, Daddy.
Smell.
Bango.
Bungo ba yan?
Baho yan eh.
Baho, oh. Smell, oh. Baho, oh.
Hindi ko pa ako bago.
Baho yan eh.
Oh? Bango ba yan?
Han, ugali ng tatlong, ay nang ugali ng matatlong bata, may siguro daw.
Oh.
Naumi, tagal matulog.
Ew! Ew! Stop!
Bango ba yan?
Ew! I made a cute apple. So cute.
Mahal naman.
Another cute apple.
Daddy, mahal naman ng mami to, Daddy.
Siyempre, mahal na mahal yan. Tapos yun
No!
Hindi to kumain mabuti.
ay, isan, mamaya, mag-request yun.
Ano
Sabi niya sa akin kahapon.
Sal lang yun sa kanya.
Sabi niya sa akin nakatayo. Muna na. Kumain siya agad.
Let me be your idol. Keeping your check, keeping yours. Oink. Oink.
Ano, adobo.
What? Oink, oink, oink. Close.
Adobong Sprite.
Chaos.
Marami sili. Hindi iwain na sili.
Double.
Ano magluto?
Hmm?
Ano magluto?
Kirek ko.
Hindi ko kasi mo.
Magluto
Magluto lang na, ikaw na maggayat-gayat na.
Hindi pa natin lubos yung mga pagkain natin. Iba na naman, no? Mamaya papaking ko yung nilaga. Na magkakaan.
Look at mine. Look so cute. Oh.
Isa ko kanya.
Ay, dapat na the lower score. Oh.
Go down ka kami.
No! I can't!
Oh, mommy and daddy go down. Don't go down, ha?
Please just stay with me.
Kunto natin room na lang, dali. I buy, mommy buy,
I'm really scared of monsters.
mommy buy a new bed in your room.
Yes.
Dali.
Parang eon.
I say,
Yan, tayo ka. Kaya ano ka?
I didn't poo!
Natatayin na.
I didn't poo, right?
Hindi din po. Baho eh.
Hindi ba, right?
Pigilan taing. Para sa mama eh. Aihin eh.
Hindi.
Tuloy sa tayo ng ganun, no?
Tay. Okay, dami tayong ganun ganyan. Honey, such a Honey, no! Oh my God.
Sige, sing.
Nothing.
Lalisa, dali.
I can't sing La Lisa.
Only what? You can sing.
Cause you will be my heart. Cause you be in my heart. Yes, you be in my heart.
Daddy, sinuot mo na ba yan?
Yung.
From this day on,
Yung.
the now and forevermore.
For charge?
Ay, speaker, hindi pa na.
Yes,
Kasi
you be
dito
in
pa tayo.
my
Pag-aba
heart.
natin yung ano na siya.
No matter they say,
Na kaya.
you be near in my heart. Always.
Pwede nga lang, ano?
Why can't they understand the way we feel? Hey, on singing and doing it. Please don't get a melon. Don't get a melon! Don't don't get a melon, right?
Doon ka na, Itlinder.
Oh,
Mami sleeping dali.
please. I just wanna go play in upstairs.
Let's go doon tayo, dalawa dali.
No.
Talaga to.
No. Please. Oh my God.
Ano ganyan?
Don't touch. No more touch. No more
Gago
hiding.
ka pala
Now
eh.
shining like a burnaby. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong and loud, and I believe we're going
Happy yard.
Look! So big, look, because you need to get the melon, so close,
Ano, may sarili mundo din yan siya. Ayun, matay.
Night tide! Hi, night! I tide is called night tide, yeah. I tide.
No?
Please don't get the watermelon. Please don't get the watermelon. Please don't get the watermelon. Please don't get the water. What? Oh my God.
Go home. Tamad yun.
Don't get the chink of the necklace.
Pastilan eh, ayaw niya rin.
Don't win.
Masyado na tong taong bahay.
Oh my gosh. No way.
Taong bahay lang to si Naomi. Nanak. Safe siya kasi naman mamamasama.
I'm really scared. Oink.
Walang bata puta. Milalig yun. Ano yun, hams eh. Wow, ano yun? Boy kaya yun? Hindi gusto may paglapit nila, no?
Kochi.
Ang ka na yun, yung pansin, baka ka ng bata.
My God. What? Oh, I'm really
Yung bata
close.
din, alam naman niya may kotse. Dumiretso pa siya.
Dumiretso rin, no?
Please win for me. Look, I'm
That's
already
something-
close.
Kahit
Oh,
saan tingnan mo ang gulo, mali talaga yung driver doon.
don't win for me. 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 Why did you do that, Daddy?
Mami.
It wasn't
Baka
her.
kasi. Doon ka na dali, sa baba.
No.
Balik siya sa'yo.
Kalaban na tayo.
What?
Mami sabi mo.
You go na down?
Oh my God.
Daddy said, go down.
No. I don't want. No.
Sabi, kasi daw siya pag sa'yo. Arte-arte lang.
You go down na.
I can't.
Mi. Ay, pasigaw eh.
Tingnan ko nga sa Alphamart kung baka meron silang ano. Tara, motoran sa gate.
I don't want to go to airplane.
Ganyan doon, kulit mo. Tinignan ko na. Tinignan ko na lahat ng mga lotionan niya.
Please. No.
Tsaka feminine wash sana.
No.
Wala rin dun. Diba nagpakupo ako?
No. I'm not waiting.
Pero pa tayo labasan.
What?
Order ka lang sa TikTok, sabi mo eh.
Ayoko, baka pegi. Maganda sa WhatsApp.
Baka mahuli pa tayo.
Ayoko, mas gusto ko makapili ako
Look,
maganda.
somebody's winning.
Oh, see?
Register mo to rin.
I'm going to give up.
It's alright.
Baka mahuli pa tayo. Check.
Huh?
Luck,
Mommy, I'm in
Nomi.
the pizza.
Good luck, Nomi.
Mommy, wish me luck.
Yes, you can win this time.
Hey, look, I made another pizza. Sagit, oh.
You can win this time na.
Ikaw na, oh.
No! I don't want to go down.
Nomi trying his best. Her best.
Sige na, oh.
No! Please. I want to be faster than her.
Faster, but surely you win. Okay?
No!
No nga, kasi dad. Kulit mo naman, dad eh. Galit siya.
I draw you.
Don't draw me, okay? Don't draw me a fucking face, right?
My hair.
Draw me a cute face, okay?
Parang gago.
Don't draw me pangit. If you draw me pangit, then let me see your
May
drawing.
ganyan kasing...
Yo! I just made a pineapple!
Hindi ako mag-office.
Alam mo, mag-office ako yun.
Mag-office ka dyan, dapat
Oh,
ano ka dyan.
fires.
Buy and sell ka na dyan, oh.
So slay.
Yeah, I draw your pangit face, ah.
Don't draw me pangit face.
Wala pang screen pa.
Why?
Draw me ka naman.
You have to draw me Ganda face. If you draw me Ganda face, then let me see your drawing. If you draw a maganda, okay?
Okay.
If you draw a maganda. Gihigot ka lang kanina, ba't nawala?
Yung.
No!
Tara, bilyag ka naman.
Ang billiard.
Gama ba? Tara, bilyag.
Toing.
Bilyag na.
Oink. I'm trying my best.
Pero alam ko, hindi ko alam pa ginagawa ng mga ibang ano, nabubura nila yung mga grade dyan.
Ang nirigla na kabaho.
Just let me win this.
Tawa niya, no?
Mommy, I'm getting closer. Don't win. Just win to me. This is the impossible game I ever played in my life. Oh my god!
Uy, tingnan mo na doon.
Ano ba?
Baka gising na si bakla.
Don't draw me pangit. If you draw me super ugly and uglier, then I will pay. I almost did. Yes! Mommy, I'm getting closer. Mommy, I get a melon.
Yay.
I gotta lose. Oh, I don't get a melon. It's so free. How? Why? My God.
Eh, look.
You didn't draw me my face.
Eat mo nga eh. Draw your face.
Pretty. Not super ugly, okay?
Okay.
Please, please. Getting closer, closer. Oh my God! My pretty little baby, my pretty little baby, my oompa, my pretty little baby. I'm so obsessed with you. Now it's just a tongue, the Pope young. The star, don't want but more fun to love. 100 young men and gay at the car at the pop shop, maybe in the moonlight or in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so bad for you. Now it's the time na papapasayang na pagpilat the sky. Well, it's much more fun to love. But the other young ninja. This is a tutorial. Wants to reach the watermelon first. Wins. If no watermelon awkward, the score will be the tiebreaker. Okay. Meet the car up or at the bottom. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight, baby. I'm so in love with you. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. What? Mommy, I get a watermelon. Look.
Wow, congratulations, anak. I feel